Well, hello. Where you going? Where you going? What's the matter? What's the matter? What is the matter? I think she wants to lay an egg. I have no idea. What's the matter? What is the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter, Bo? What is it? What is it? What are you looking at? I don't see anything. There's a bunch of deers out here earlier, but I didn't get them. Wasn't quick enough. Never quick enough. Are you gonna lay an egg? What are you doing in the house? What are you doing in the house? What do you want? Cookie, come on. No, you cannot be in here. No, you gotta go in your room. What are you doing? Cookie, you know the rules. You know the rules. This is not allowed. No, you cannot. She's almost potty trained, but not quite. Cookie, get outside. Come on. She likes going in here. I don't know what. Build me a room in here. I will sleep in here. I promise I will not poop. Cookie, come on. No, you do not. No, we're not gonna see if it happens. No, come on. I got enough things going on. Come on, Cookie. Cookie. Cut it out. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Don't make me get the broom. Come on. I do not want you in here. You are not supposed to be in here wandering around. Cookie, Bobo, come on. Cookie, go in your room. Come on, go in your room. Lay an egg. She laid 2 eggs the other day, and then yesterday she didn't lay any. Come on, Cookie. Let's go. I don't want to pet you. But you make it impossible. Look, she's like, oh, my room. Don't go in there. Come on, Cookie. You want to stress me out? Come on. Cookie. You are making me crazy. Go in your room or go outside. Cookie. Hey. Let's go. Outside. 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 Let's go outside. What is your problem? Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Cookie, go outside. Now. Come on, outside. Go outside. Go outside. Thank you.